Okay. Hey there, we are back and we're in the studio and this is a vlog. I know it's kind of crazy, we usually don't do that, but today we're going to give this a chance and kind of like it's not a mini makeover, it's kind of a massive makeover, but we've done parts of this makeover already. If you've been with us from the beginning, you've obviously seen our wall changing over the years, but this is our latest edition of the Ellimorph wall, and it's actually going to turn into two, but we're not done with this part. So yeah. So we're going to do some drawers, we're going to do some redecorating, we're going to do some organizing, decluttering of makeup, showing you all of the crap that we have in the studio. This wall is kind of done. We just put some stuff up. This is our Edward Scissorhands hands. It's in upside down wine glasses right now, but I think that kind of works. And we have this Demogorgon up here. We have a little Monster High doll that I got at a convention. The SS Georgie, we have a clicker mask. One of my favorite creations is right here. It is the Venom mask. It is pretty cool. I kind of like it a lot. Have a little piece of art that I got in New Orleans, and this thing that is all you. It is presented to Ellimorph SFX makeup for passing 1 million subscribers. From YouTube, and it's really freaking cool and kind of the beginning to making this wall, because we want to have a nice place to display it on. And we have this little guy too that we obviously need to make less dirty. So this wall is up and running. This one is not, because we need to put the shelves up, and I can't drill cement walls, so we can't. We only have this little pretty look that we made last week, so if you haven't watched that tutorial, do that. We have a nice thick mega YouTube thing that I stole in Paris at the YouTube event. Of course I didn't steal it. So we're going to make the drawers, and I guess this is a hand on the floor. We're gonna make the drawers. And in case you're wondering, oh, Ellie, what are you gonna put in the drawers? Well, we have things. I present to you stuff.
And also bringer of voices, master of the papa skämts, and singer of the bad intros.
We have like a gazillion different types of costumes in this one, and one more next to that one. And all of the little accessories and all of this. Oopsie. Oh, okay. Yeah, so all of this right here is gonna go into the drawers, is the idea. We have some of the heads. The wigs are right here, or I don't think it's all of them, but there's loads of them in here. We have the little merman and some golden paper. I'm gonna make Sabrina, the Chilling Adventures from Sabrina outfit from. But all of the wigs are down here, and they're going up on these and up into the wall that I'm not done with, to kind of display them. And we have Hades, kind of lost his bangs. I don't know what's happening over here. But yeah, so stuff. And in case you're wondering, this is not all of the stuff. Max has stuff here. We have stuff here. And here. We have stuff here. I don't know if you do, but we actually save loads of the stuff that ends up surviving the tutorials. Like the kitty ears here, we have loads of stuff in this little bag. So we will be doing something that includes all of these little things that are still here. We'll see. If you have any idea or anything you think like, ooh, this will be fun. My first idea was to use this frame and put all of this in here like a 3D painting, but it ended up being quite big and I don't know where to put it, so I think we're gonna make smaller ones. But yeah, so we save everything here. I hope you do too, because this is cool stuff. It just needs to, well, it needs help in turning into not this.
Ja, And it's pretty obvious who's the f***ing hoarder here.
IKEA, quality items. No, we are not sponsored or getting paid for using IKEA stuff.
Yeah, little Miss Hoarder forgot to show you all these flowers. She bought like 800 of them online. Fluffy, foamy flowers. And we need you to come up with an idea for how to use them. Sort of. Oh my god. So let's see what happens. Over here. Way back there she is.
Yeah. Wonder what's going through that little mind right now. And now Elli is about to try the Chinese approach, building 500 of them at the same time. Always the expert in reading the manuals and the instructions here.
How are we coming along?
I don't know why there are holes in here.
No holes in picture. And here's an update from the tech corner in the studio. We are currently shooting on an iPhone, but normally we shoot on this, the GH5, a nice piece of kit, if you will.
This is a fabulous IKEA moment. Let's do this. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Ah, there it is. No. Let's try it again. Yes. No.
Now, yay, success.
The drawers are done, or well, half done. I got tired of making drawers, so we're just gonna go ahead and fill the drawers with stuff instead. This corner is not doing that well anyways, so I'm just gonna head on to filling this with our costumes and outfits. So I'm going to kick it off by organizing all of these accessories that we have. We have loads of different headbands and stuff, and belts and stockings and accessories and whatever and everything. So in my top drawers, I have these little handy things that I got at IKEA. So we're just gonna pop it all in here. I'm thinking for my first box, we're gonna have all of the headbands in this. So I'm just gonna throw those in there. Ah, everything at the same time. We have some necklace things. It's not necklaces, but it's for the neck. So neck items are going in here. Little tie, little, I think this is from Cinderella. One of my favorite pieces. This is the Ursula necklace when she steals Ariel's voice. So this is also going into the neck accessories. But accessories. Moving on, so in here I am thinking belts in here, because I have loads of Santa belts for some reason. We have like 3 or 4. There's one more, so those are going in here. I'm thinking gloves in here. This is from the Luxie Monster that we did. Just got these at the kids department at H&M, I think, and cut them up. So we're just gonna put some glove like things in this one, and it's all gonna be pretty. Just look at this. Doesn't all of this just make you want to go to a costume party right away? There's so much to choose from. I am not sure really how we want to organize this, but I'm thinking like princess dresses in one drawer because we have a couple of those, and then maybe clowns in one, or maybe by color. I don't know. How would you do it? We have a couple of zombie nurse outfits, so I'm thinking I'll put those together so I know what I'm looking for. We have, this is a clown, random morph suit that we actually never used, more clowns, Chucky doll. So we've got some clown outfits. Everything is covered in fake blood, but that's all right. So more fake blood clowns. And I think I'm just gonna put my Harley costumes in here too. So it's gonna be clowns and Harley in here. And we're gonna do something for the princess box. We'll see how many I have. We will have a princess box or drawer. It'll just be princess dresses in here. Ooh. Oh yes. Pretty. Little bit of blood. Whatever. I feel like I am done with the costume, so I'm just gonna move ahead and do the massive amount of other stuff that we have. I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and put stuff in the boxes, and I'm probably gonna reorganize this 20 times before I'm happy, because I always seem to find more and more and more and more stuff. So for now, it's just gonna be stuff in here, and hopefully looking down into these drawers is gonna help my creativity and hopefully get some new fun ideas. I just like this little combo with the crystals and the shelf. We have loads of bandages from well, like zombies, the cat, loads of different looks. So those are gonna go in here because they go well in this little box. I'm just gonna put it in here for now. We do get a lot of questions about where we get our ball caps, and we get the cheapest ones we can find. I'm dropping them. I'm dropping more. And they look like this. They're super cheap, like $2, maybe $3, I don't know. Slippery, obviously. And yeah, they want to go in here, it seems. Found some pearl dough too. We bought them in just random colors, and we've actually used them in a tutorial. This is for the Ursula tiara crown, and you can see the little mini balls in between the shells and the other stuff. That's the pearl dough that was just sprayed gold. So I think this is a really cool product that you can use for loads of different things. So pearl dough also gonna go in here. Speaking of little balls, we have the Ellimorph, which we have loads of, but in just these containers. So I think I'm gonna put the Ellimorph down in here too, because I can. And as I said before, I'm probably gonna reorganize everything once I have everything that I have in these drawers, and I realized that I might have even a better idea of how to put it in, but I just wanna have stuff in these drawers and not, well, everywhere. So they're just gonna go in here for now. I found a bag of 1 million of these, and we still don't have a look planned for it. I think I've had them for maybe 3-4 years or something. And yeah, it's quite a lot. So what should we do with this little guy and all of his 1 million friends? Help me. So yeah, a lot of glittery skeletons. They were packaged like this from the start. Put you in there too. And then also another 1 million of little feet and hands. It's like Halloween sweets that I saved. And I don't want to eat it, but maybe we can use these little hands and bones in a look. I don't know. If you have any ideas, just tell me. Oh, a bar. I will eat you. So looking at what I've accomplished today, it feels like it's messier than when I started, but we're definitely getting someplace. Surprise jump cut to my house. Like a week later, I'm here editing the vlog on my computer, and I realized that the last little clip that I had saying goodbye, thank you for today, you could see life being drained out of my eyes, and it looked like I wanted to never see the studio again. So I just decided that I'm gonna make a new outro. So if you want to see a vlog like this, where we show off the makeup and the other stuff that we have, maybe like a decluttering video showing the makeup and the kind of bloods and the palettes and the eyeshadows and the cream colors that we use. If you want to see like a video of what type of makeup that I actually use, because we don't really talk about that in our videos really. So if you want to see that, then tell us. And if you're like, no thank you, that's all right too. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have a suggestion for what you want to see next, or what kind of tutorial, look, makeup, whatever, something else you choose, tell us in the comment section and we will be so happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Mwah!